what are the exceptions that we don't know about yet, right? Especially
Yeah.
if you've got a new product that you're rolling out, or you're rolling it out in a new geography or something where there's some nuance to what questions you can ask on the application, because going back to that highly regulated industry that's done district by district, or state by state, but 56 jurisdictions, that differs. And so internally, actually, those systems need to be programmed with the regulatory landscape in mind. So what is the process if you're writing cyber in California versus cyber in New York versus cyber in any of the other states? There could be a different process that you internally have to account for.
This is like filling me with crippling anxiety. Like the levels of complexity you talked about, right? Like you have your jurisdiction, mostly states, but not exactly states, right? And then you have what line of business are you in? And then there are levels of nuance there in terms of what's possible, what data has to be captured. Like this is a lot. It's a lot.
It's a lot. Again, back to it's a ton of data being captured, and some of it is captured and kind of, I would imagine, sits in a system somewhere untapped. And so what are the insights that you can pull out of that if you were able to access it? And so part of that is intelligent intake. You've got the workflow there, but you've also got to have the system in place to be able to take in all that data and then push it down the line. And that comes into whole other systems and things that you have to account for to manage your reporting and everything else.